All right, so this is the sitting slump test, and we do this when we know our clients are not provocative. Okay, so if they had a positive on our straight leg raise, do not do this. This is the caution right now. So whatever you do, don't use this as your go-to for assessing sciatic pain straight off the bat. You really, really need to do your straight leg raise first. Okay, if they've got through their straight leg raise okay, so there's no provocativeness, what we're going to do is get them in this position here, sitting on the end of their table. There's a few parts to this slump test. Okay, so the first part is get your clients to put their arms behind their back. Tom. Okay, we're going to bring in a little bit of neck flexion, and then we're going to bring in some thoracic flexion as well, as far as they can go. So just place your hand at the back of their neck, roughly around about that C7. Right, the next part of this is we're going to bring the leg up into, or the knee into extension. Okay, so it's at this point that we ask our clients where they feel it.
Lower hamstring.
So lower hamstring. Obviously we make sure that they're bringing the foot into dorsiflexion as much as they can. Okay, and then the final part is they're going to raise their head back up into extension. Now if that changes their symptoms, then we know that we're dealing with nerve tension. Okay, if it doesn't change their symptoms at all, then we're dealing with muscular tension. So this test is not only a great assessment tool of where they feel most of the tension neurally, but it also lets us know where to treat when we get into treatment as well. So if Tom's feeling it deep in his buttock and down his hamstring, that's the first place I'm going to try and release and improve his slump test, and then we can work our way through it. So initially what you might find if you do your treatment right, you'll eventually find that there's a plateauing out, so they won't really feel it anywhere. It's sort of all the way through and nowhere specific. So that's the sitting slump test. Add it into your toolbox.